To define the basic geometry of the frame of a building, you must first define the structural axes. The structural axes work as a guiding grid for defining different elements of the structure. That way, the indication of structural components is much faster, and less prone to errors when a well-thought-out system of structural axes is defined at the beginning. In ARSA, you may define several independent systems of axes and control their display individually. To define the axes of a multi-story building, from the text menu, select Geometry Axis Definition. The Structural Axis dialog displays. By default, Cartesian coordinates are selected. You will be using X, Y, and Z coordinates to define a rectangular grid. Each type of coordinate will be assigned a different numbering value. The x-axis will be assigned numerals, the y-axis will be assigned an alphabetical method, and the z-axis will be assigned values. In this instance, under the x-coordinate, leave the position set to 0 and select Add. Add a total of 4 x values in this manner. The remaining 3 positions are as follows: 4.5, 6, and 11. Note the numbering dropdown is set to numerals by default. Next, open the Y-coordinate tab. Expand the numbering dropdown and select A, B, C. Under Position, leave the value at 0 and click Add. Repeat this process for a total of 6 positions. The positions are as follows: 0, 1.2, 3.2, 4.5, 6.5, and 11. Finally, open the Z-coordinate tab. Previously defined stories are listed in this tab already. Expand the numbering dropdown and select Value. Under Position, leave the value set to 0. Click Add. Repeat this process for 4 values in total. The positions are as follows: 1.95, 5.45, 8.95, and 12.45. By default, the distance is set to 1. Click Apply, and then click Close. The defined axes appear in the drawing area. From the menu, click View to toggle the view of the defined axes. Defining structural axes is a necessary process for several building and structure types.